Kani kadiga Batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Hadian bakat nat Pulit jongka West Gentiles District, kendia teo mencua kala pelat ba yaka music video jongka Jingrwai ke balai kerteng, haka ketian pareng, Beyond the Call of Duty. Komisi benta ban ainam bat ai Mynsiem mikitu ki batre hakmat banyada na kajing sapriang ukunyang COVID-19. Menta ka Kynthei katnat Pulit jongka West Gentiles District sasisien kala pelat saya ka wei ke Jingrwai. Haka art pulai terek mutau brazileo hajar arpo. Katnat Pulit jawai kala pelat ba saya ka music video jongka Jingrwai ke balai kerteng haka ketian pareng Phenomenal Woman. Ka Jingrwai ban ainam bat ai Mynsiem kerpang yaki Pulit Kynthei. Ya kani ke Jingrwai la pelat ba do SP ka West Gentiles District uba la ka dors MPS ringkat kajiran lang u additional SP u B Chetri u DSP ba MJ Marngar bat ke DSP kong siling do bat kiwe de.
This is paying tribute to the women police personnel of this district as well as the women police personnel of the Meghalaya Police. This has been a project which has been close to my heart, dear to my heart, because a woman performs many roles and responsibilities. She is a grandmother, she is a mother, she is a daughter, she is a wife, she is a sister, she is a confidant, she is an inspirer, and sometimes she is also a muse who inspires each and every one of us through their different roles that they perform. And after they perform these various roles, they then perform their official duties, be it as an investigating officer, be it as a peacekeeper, be it as a counselor, be it as somebody who listens to people with problems when it comes to children, when it comes to women, when it comes to domestic violence, when it comes to issues which they have to solve. So the roles and responsibilities and functions of a woman are vast, are various, and that is why West Gentiles DEF pays tribute to these women personnel who have gone beyond the call of duty, and we call them phenomenal women. So with these few words, I wish all the women police personnel of the Meghalaya Police and of West Gentiles District all the very best, and thank you for your commitment, your dedication, and the work that you have given to the department and to the public at large.
Kawiga kena kepada ngapok sanslim percayai.
Kajisha lebijat kawiga kena kabakat news na kajisha lebijat
Kawiga kena kepada ngapok.
Pretty woman, wonder where my secret lies. I'm not cute or built to suit a fashion model size. But when I start to tell them, they think I'm telling lies. I say, it's in the reach of my arms, the span of my hips, the stride of my step, the curl of my lips. I'm a woman phenomenally. Phenomenal woman, that's me. I walk into a room just as cool as you please, and to a man, their fellows stand or fall down on their knees. Then they swarm around me, a hive of honeybees. I say, it's in the fire in the eyes and the flash of my teeth, the swing in my waist and the joy in my feet. I'm a woman phenomenally. Phenomenal woman, that's me. Men themselves have wondered what they see in me. They try so much, but they can't touch my inner mystery. When I try to show them, they say they still can't see. I say it's in the arch of my back, the sun of my smile, the right of my breast, the grace of my style. I'm a woman phenomenally. Phenomenal woman, that's me. Now you understand just why my head's not bowed. I don't shout or jump about or have to talk real loud. When you see me passing, it ought to make you proud. I say it's in the click of my heels, the bend of my hair, the palm of my hand, the need for my care. 'Cause I'm a woman phenomenally. Phenomenal woman, that's me.